lean forward into it, okay? Remember, don't grab anything above your shoulders.
Oh, there he goes.
Okay, mate, looking out to the right, looking up at that camera, over on your right. There you go, mate, looking straight back down. Nice work, Drew. Eyes down on that river, dude.
Yes, sir.
Go
Oh, no.
3, 2, 1. Oh!